सारी पार्टियों के लोगों को बोल रहे
please
हैं,
understand that the mandate is that the report should be given on the 29th,
Yes, sir.
first week, last day.
Yes.
Now, how can you give it? There is a procedure that has to be followed. There is a procedure laid down by the rules and by the direction speaker. First, the committee has to give a notice that there will be a clause by clause consideration. That notice has not been given. Secondly, listing of amendments and circulation of list of members they give, that has not been given. Second. Third, under direction 77, there has to be a clause by clause consideration. That takes at least 2 days. Fourth, based on the clause by clause consideration, draft report has to be finalized and shared with legislative department, then Ministry of Law and Justice. Hindi translation of that report should come. We don't know. Then the draft report with amendment bill, as prepared by the Legislative Council, by the chairman, should be approved. Then it should be circulated to members. Then the draft, direction 78 speaker, draft report and the bill as amended will be considered by the committee. After that, whether the report is adopted or not, the chairperson will give members the right to give dissent report, direction 85, rule 303. And after examination of dissent note by the secretary, direction 91, the preparation regarding presentation final report of the House. All these steps are not been taken, and most important, this committee has not visited state of Bihar. This committee has not gone to West Bengal. This joint working committee, the chairman assured us that the minister from Delhi government will call. That has not been called. There are many stakeholders which want to come. In fact, I am telling you, from Kashmir, Mir Wais Umar Farooq wants to come. Now, will that not send a strong message to the whole country that from Kashmir, Mir Wais wants to come? Why are you not allowing this committee? Why isn't the government allowing this committee to meet every stakeholder? And on 29, this cannot be done. You will be violating all procedure.